Hi friends, this is Spiritual Geek, and this time I'm going to show you how to make a simple case for any mobile phone. For this time I'm using my Poco X2 to shoot this video and show you how you can make a case which has inbuilt external lens holder. So this is my phone, and what you need is lenses, and most importantly the clip. Okay, so what you need to do, first of all, just cut it and make sure that you secure and use most of the part, which is a ring part. Okay, you can keep the plastics if you want, or you can just make it like this. This is a metal build, maybe nickel, and I'll also tell you why I have cut it from the a small part of it, and make sure that your one of your lens does secure on it without any issue. So if you are planning to do as I'm doing, or you can also keep the complete ring part, and you need that super glue, which is known as FeviKwik in India. So that can be used, and just put it here and make sure it is well aligned. So you can see that I've got that upper part to make sure that it doesn't affect the other lenses, and use this glue and secure it properly on that hard case. So I'm using a hard case, and the most crucial part in this is to make sure the glue which you're putting on it should be very minimal, and it should not be hampering your case, or because my case is looking a bit hazy. The transparent part is a bit hazy because I've removed this clip which I've already installed before to show you guys how it works, and I've cut that upper part so it will not affect any of the upper lenses. So put it, and just to make sure it doesn't the glue doesn't make your lenses dirty, just put any kind of plastic, or you can use tape, or duct tape which is transparent on the lenses, and put your case on it. Or you can also just put install that thing on the case, but to get some support from the from the device, and some hard surface from the bottom. So when I put that thing on, when I install this, and because you need to, once you put that glue around that um, ring, you need to press it hard for at least maximum 30 to 40 seconds, so it gets glued properly and very securely and very strongly. So once you put your lenses, it doesn't fall off easily. So I'll also show you at the end how strong this lens is to hold even the biggest lenses with the cover. So this is how it is done. So I put it and then install it, and put some pressure on it for in 30 to 1, I put it for 1 minute, so it is very strongly attached to the case. And this can be done on any device, so it doesn't matter if you have iPhone, Android of any brand, it will work. Just make sure that the case which you use must be a hard case, so it is sturdy. Because if you put it on TPU case, so when you put very heavy lenses on this, then it may kind of not properly take a picture. So that's the case. So after installing, I'm just showing you how to how our different lenses will show and perform. So this is a very lightweight lens. I think it's a macro one, so you can see how neatly it looks, and so this is perfect. And now let's shoot something, or see how this lens will work. So I'm doing it with one hand. On one hand I have a phone, which is essential phone from which I'm shooting, and one hand is I'm using this I'm using this phone from another hand. So multitasking. Okay, so let's see. I'm using 64 megapixel main lens, because I've installed. So this is a macro lens and takes picture good. So this is macro one, and it goes hazy when you know object is very far. So let me show you my fingerprint. Okay, so yeah, so it works fine, no issues at all. And I'm going to make a different video which is completely on different how to use different lenses. It will be a pixel APE XEL pixel lens set which I've shown you at the start of the video. So it will be detailed review and how to use it properly to take good videos and photos. So we'll use on this is a Google camera I'm using. So on Google camera I'm using a main lens because we have installed that ring on the main lens because it's the main lens and it is 64 and performs very well. So this is my finger. You can see that is a residue part of that super glue which makes my finger a bit weird. Now this is the bed sheet. Okay, so this is then the second one is a bit heavy one. This is a fisheye. You can see from the size a completely metal make of pixel fisheye, and we'll install this. It is a bit heavy compared to the macro lens, so let's see how it performs. So now let's do it. After I'm installing it, this is the same thing I'm showing you again. Sorry for that. Okay, let's take it a bit closer. Fisheye lens. Okay, now let me install it. I'll show you another one. This is a bigger one. It is fisheye lens, but it has more area to cover. And after installing it, you can see how big one it is. It's a completely metal and very heavy compared to the macro lens. And after, let me now show you how it looks. So this is how the fisheye looks. Depending upon your lens, sometimes you do see that black around the edges. So you just need to just zoom it a bit and you will get rid of that round thing. But in fisheye, that round the black part around it is something which is normal. So if you don't want that, you can just zoom a bit, and you'll get rid of those black round on the edges. So you can see the news. It's happening news in India about arrest of a film star in some controversial suicide case. So this is outside my balcony. I'm sorry, outside my window, and this is the TV. And now you will use a different, which is a wider macro lens. It's 20x zoom. 20x zoom kind of it's too much for a macro lens. It's a maximum I have seen. So I have installed that, and let's see how close we can get to the lens. This is a fisheye lens from a macro lens. Okay, now let's see bed sheet, how close we can go. You can see, let's see, yeah. So this is the difference between two macro lenses. So it's very close. So now this is a big boy, the telephoto lens. So most of this, if we can use this one without the ring falling off, then this is a huge success. So let's see. So it didn't fall off easily. It's very secure, and I can keeping it turning it around, and so there is no issue. So that 30 to 1 minute time which we spend putting pressure on the ring after putting that glue is the reason why it is very strongly secure. So I'll show you a few shots from the macro lens. This is outside my balcony on the it's around 300 to 500 distance from my window, and so shakiness is very obvious when you use telephoto lens. So it will shake a lot, now, and with one hand I cannot focus. So when you use a telephoto lens, you need to focus, using that ring. So let me focus on one of the thing which is inside my house. You can see that Lord Ganesha. So I'll try to focus on him. So he's just resting there. So you can see, let's after focusing it will be much clearer. So this is Lord Ganesha. So thank you for watching, and this is how it looks. And thank you. And if you want, you can just subscribe my channel if you like this video, and share it, and like and comment if you have any questions on this, because I'm going to make many videos on photography, especially on Poco X1, and there will be many Poco X2 specific videos, because I have this device, and I'll also make some videos on essential phone PH1. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Bye bye.